today I'm going to show you how to bronze yourself in under 30 seconds, and this is touch resistant. I have two products to show you. I'm going to show you the first one on my hand. If you want a very soft veil of colour that doesn't add any coverage, I've got the Sun Tint by Peaches and Cream. I should mention that both of these are wash-off tints, so they're ideal if you are going out for the evening and you want to look bronzed. This one is a bronzing gel. You can just buff it on with a brush. Obviously, to do a larger section it would take you longer than 30 seconds, but for your hands it's perfect. For larger sections and areas that you want more coverage, such as your chest or legs or even your arms or your back, then this is perfect. This is the AllEven Colour Shield Glow. I'd recommend using this prior to getting dressed, but obviously I am dressed because I'm on camera, so I'm just going to put some tissue down so it doesn't go on my clothes. You want to spray lower than where your clothing's sitting, so I have pulled my top down ever so slightly so that if I do move about, the tan will also be visible slightly lower. It's available in 7 shades from very fair to very deep. Because it is in an airbrush format, it means it's more forgiving and a bit more universal in terms of the shade, so there is definitely something for everybody. You want to spray at around 8 to 10 inches away from the skin and work in circular motions. It's definitely a little bit harder doing it on yourself. However, if you work in circular motions, you will get a nice even result. You can see it instantly adds coverage, so it does blur imperfections, which is great if you are particularly freckly and you want a bit more of an even finish to your skin. This particular one offers a subtle glow luster to the skin, so it is beautiful. I just recommend going over it with a brush just to dust off any excess from the vellus hairs. I actually used this on my wedding day. I did a bit of a lighter layer and it gave me the most beautiful finish to my skin. I've used the shade Ivory, which looks a little bit orange as I'm a bit fair because it's the winter, but I just matched my foundation to my chest and now it looks beautiful. I will link both these products in the description bar, and I will link the tutorial for this makeup in the top corner.